If you're new to home plumbing repair, it might seem overwhelming. Here at TMS South, we've answered a lot of home plumbing repair questions over the years, and our experts are more than happy to help you with your do-it-yourself repair. We specialize in hard-to-find plumbing parts to fix whatever kind of plumbing job you're faced with, whether it's faucet repair, toilet repair, tub and shower, or any commercial plumbing application. Many people don't realize that over the years there have been hundreds, if not thousands, of stems manufactured for different types of faucets and valves. And many times the National Plumbing Supply and home improvement chain stores do not carry the stem required to fix your particular faucet. Our goal is to help you get your plumbing repairs right the first time. With that in mind, we'd like to get you started by helping you figure out what type of faucet stem is in your home. Basically, there are 4 types of stems: compression, ceramic, washerless, and single lever. If you have an older home with separate hot and cold water handles and a diverter for the tub and shower, it's probably a compression faucet. These compression faucets use neoprene washers with a screw to hold them onto the stem. When compressed, the washer turns off the flow of water. As a general rule, each compression stem will fit only one manufacturer's faucet line. This accounts for so many different stems. One of the reasons for this is because not all stems have the same number of splines on the broach. The splines hold the handle in place so that when you turn the handle on, the stem is opened. Each manufacturer uses the same number of splines on each of their stems, so if you count them, that will help you to narrow down your manufacturer. One of the most confusing aspects of compression stems is the right-hand stem versus the left-hand stem. Right-hand stems, in most cases, are hot, and left-hand stems, in most cases, are cold. Kohler valvette stems are the exception to this rule. How do you tell the difference in a hot and a cold stem? When the water is turned on, the right hand, hot, stem rises to the left, and the left hand, or cold, stem rises to the right. The right hand stem unit is usually more popular, especially in cases where there are no lever handles involved. The second type of stem is a ceramic cartridge stem. As is the case with compression stems, the broach splines will help to find out who the manufacturer is. The bottom of these stems have either a gasket or a ceramic disc. Some are color-coded blue and red for cold and hot respectively. If they're not color-coded, a stem that closes counterclockwise is cold. If it closes when turned clockwise, naturally, it's hot. Quarter-turn stems are popular in this category. So what makes a stem a quarter-turn stem? The ceramic disc within the stem turn 90 degrees or 1/4 of a circle. If you took a ceramic disc stem apart, you would see that there are 2 ceramic discs inside. The cartridge is now closed. The cartridge is now open. Faucets with ceramic cartridge type stems are available in double handle styles. These are similar to compression stems, except that you don't need to apply significant pressure to turn them off completely. The ceramic discs are the part most subject to wear because of the friction between the 2 pieces. However, to repair these faucets, you need to replace the entire cartridge. The third type of stem is the washerless type stem or cartridge. These are another type of quarter-turn stem, but these stems do not use ceramic discs. There are several types of washerless stems that use components such as discs, valves, balls, cartridges, springs, and seats, or caps, which press against the base of the stem to create a seal. Components vary greatly from manufacturer to manufacturer, so it's important to be sure you get one that is identical to the one that you are replacing. The mouth on the bottom of the stem allows the water to come through when it's open. The mouth can resemble a smiley face, cat's eyes, or even 2 round circles. A common characteristic of waterless faucets is that all have a combination of soft and hard rubber rings. The last type of stem is a single lever cartridge. These cartridges work with a lever or knob handle that controls the flow and mix of hot and cold water by aligning ceramic interior openings with the water inlets. Many of these appear similar, but the bottom of these cartridges are unique and add in the identification. It's also important to know the height because it varies too. Once you've determined what kind of stem you have in your leaking faucet, use our app, Stem Finder, to help find your stem. If you're still unsure or don't see your stem in our app, feel free to send us a picture.